Okay, so I'm going to be opening up some Overwatch pop figures today. I went on a bit of a shopping spree and I bought some of my favorite characters. I want to open up D.Va first because I'm the most excited about this one. And then the top. And then the, not so interesting bottom. Okay. She's got a little bit of heft to her. It's got a lot of branding on her mech, including a Blizzard. And there she is inside. And oh, I didn't know it did this. That's so cute. So the cockpit actually opens, and I think she comes out. Oh, that's so cute. So you actually have your mecha and your little mini D.Va. So she's gonna be really small in scale compared to the other ones, but that's actually really cute. I actually didn't know she came out. So she's got a whole bunch of sponsorship branding on her mecha. The arms feel like they want to move, but they don't. So don't try moving them because she'll probably break. So if she's in without the plastic, she's loose. So I would probably just keep her in the plastic because you don't really see the plastic when it's closed. You can't tell that the plastic's there. And next we have the EB exclusive Mercy. So I was actually just looking for the standard Mercy, but no one seemed to have her in stock right now, so I decided to get the blue EB one instead. So here's her box. Pretty standard for pops. And again, the uninteresting bottom. She's actually suspended on this plastic thing. I couldn't really tell when it was in the box, so she's actually floating doing her res. There's some marks on her hair that I'm not a huge fan of, but that's kind of typical for pop figures. And her nice blue outfit. No, she doesn't come off of her stand. She's pretty securely stuck on there, so I don't think you're supposed to take her off. I don't really think she'd balance without the stand anyways. So we're just gonna leave her like that. Just gonna go over here and res D.Va. Moving on to Miss Sombra. Here's her box. Top. And the uninteresting bottom. Her and Mercy's plastic insert are slightly different. Mercy's got the double one and Sombra has this kind of style. This is the one I think I'm more familiar with, so I think Mercy's a newer one. It doesn't look like she can stand on her own since they gave me this base. She does stand on her own, but she's got a mark on her foot to keep her more secure on here. Let's go. Okay, and like Mercy, she unfortunately has some scuff marks on the side of her hair there, but again, that's not that big of a deal. It's kind of what you expect when you buy these guys. Other than that, she looks really good. I like the little hacky marks on her fingers. I think that's a cute touch. And she's got her gun with her on the side there. And the uninteresting bottle. I don't know why this one just cracks me up. He also comes with the same base. He is way more top heavy than Sombra is. I wouldn't really trust him to stand without his base. His giant hat is making him quite heavy. And he actually has a 2 support base for both of his feet. Sombra only had 1, because he's big. Or his hat is at least. It's Hanu. Come and get you. Same sort of scuff marks the other 2 had. Some of his is coming off though. Look at that big hat. He's also got a mark on his face. Flip him around in the front there. He's actually got lots of detail. I'm actually impressed. He's even got the BAMF on his belt there. And there's lots on his hand. And his gun looks really nice. And the spurs on the back of his boots. I'm glad I bought this one. So aside from the usual kind of wear and tear and scuff marks that pop figures are known for, I would say that these particular ones are very nice, very detailed, and I really, really like this. This is my favorite. Can she stand on her own? Yes, she can. But I kind of feel like these ones have more detail in like they're more unique than some of the other pops are. The fact that Sombra and McCree both have the base to stand on, I feel like because they're like their bodies are different. They're standing in different positions. Her feet look different. The detail on her hair and his hat and everything. I haven't bought pops in a while, so I'm not sure if Funko's just kind of stepped up their quality, but I just really like the way these ones look. I feel like they feel more unique, if that makes sense, because a lot of the pops seem kind of cookie cutter, that the bodies are basically the same and the heads are very similar, but I don't get that vibe from these ones, and I like that a lot about them. So here's some of the other characters that are available in the Overwatch series. I know there's a few more waves out there. I think there's 5 altogether, but the ones I bought today are all from the same 2 waves. So you can see, in addition to D.Va, we've also got Reinhardt, Lucio, Mei, Symmetra, and McCree. Then there's Mercy, Zenyatta, Zarya, Sombra, Junkrat, and Roadhog. Roadhog and Reinhardt being the 6-inch versions, the same size as D.Va, and everyone else being the regular size.
See you later.